Started, right, Karthik? Recording.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good morning everyone. எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். So, in today's class, we are going to discuss same topics, some on SQL and some on metabase. Last week we have discussed on create table in Postgres, how to create and how to actually insert data using a file. அந்த மாதிரி இன்னைக்கு இன்சர்ட் செப்பரேட்டா தனியா இன்சர்ட் ஒரு கமாண்ட் இருக்கு. ஓகே, அந்த கமாண்ட் எந்த மாதிரி யூஸ் பண்ணணும், தென் நெக்ஸ்ட் அப்டேட் delete வேர் கண்டிஷன், அந்த மாதிரி கண்டிஷன்ஸ் ஆர் ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் இருக்கு எஸ்கியூஎல் வந்து. ஓகே, அந்த ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் எந்த மாதிரி ஒர்க் பண்ணோம், அதுக்கப்புறம் மெட்டாபேஸ் வந்து டேஷ்போர்ட் எப்போ கிரியேட் பண்ணணும், those things we'll see in our today's class. So let me start. You are able to see my screen, right? Karthik, able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
First step, open Postgres. Or I'll stop my chat. Yeah. This is for August 6th. Postgres details. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் இஸ் ஸ்லாஷ் எல். ஸ்லாஷ் எல் வந்து நமக்கு என்ன டேட்டா பேசஸ் இந்த போஸ்ட்கிரஸ் வந்து இருக்கும். போஸ்ட்கிரஸ் ஒரு டேட்டா பேஸ் தான், பட் திஸ் இஸ் அ பேஸ் டேட்டா பேஸ். நம்ம போஸ்ட்கிரஸ் டேட்டா பேஸ் வந்து நம்ம என்ன டேட்டா பேஸை கிரியேட் பண்ணணும் அந்த டேட்டா பேஸ்க்கு போகலாம். இப்போ அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுவோம்னா ஸ்லாஷ்லி தென் நெக்ஸ்ட் நான் இப்போ பாருங்க, இப்போ nm_database analytics இது வந்து டேபிள்ஸ், என்ன டேபிள்ஸ் இருக்கு செக் பண்ணதுக்கு தீஸ் ஆர் த டேபிள்ஸ்: பிசினஸ் டிராவல், டிபார்ட்மெண்ட். அண்ட் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் டேபிள் வந்து காலம்ஸ், என்ன காலம்ஸ் இருக்கு செக் பண்ணதுக்கு ஸ்லாஷ் டி தென் நெக்ஸ்ட் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட். ஸோ இப்போ டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் வந்து நமக்கு 2 காலம் இருக்கு. ஓகே, தென் நெக்ஸ்ட் செலக்ட் count of 1. Select, I'll increase the size of this. Okay, right? Okay. Select count of 1 department or column இருக்கு. Select star from count of 1 anna how many columns are there that we can see, and select star from department anna nothing is there. What we'll do is we will insert values into this particular this particular table called a department. How to insert? Last time what we have done, using this particular copy or this particular copy and a table name and whatever the path is there. Using that we have insert the data. Okay, this is one style of inserting. If you are having a file and the file வந்து நம்ம insert பண்ணணும்னா இந்த மாதிரி இந்த மாதிரி கமாண்ட் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். இல்ல நமக்கு பேசிக்கா insert how to insert into any particular table அண்ணா ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கு நம்மள்கிட்ட. insert into insert into insert into is a command. அதுக்கப்புறம் which table we want to insert. This is a table I want to insert. Okay, இந்த டேபிள் வந்து அடுத்த ஸ்டெப், இந்த டேபிள் வந்து what are the columns we are having. நமக்கு டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் ஐடி இருக்கு. ஓகே, டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் ஐடி காமா டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன். ஸோ இந்த ரெண்டு காலம் வந்து, ஸோ first step is insert into is a command which is used to insert values into any of the database table. அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த டேபிள் வந்து what are the columns. Then next values, insert into table name and அந்த டேபிள் வந்து column names value. இப்போ values insert பண்ணலாம். What values? Department id is one value. So department id ఇంకా చెక్ பண்ணியாச்சுன்னா this is character అన్న நமக்கு single quotes అందు கொடுக்கணும். 101. If it is a value, you need to give just number. If it is a text, any text, you need to mention that in single quotes. Okay, so here we are having two columns. I have given two columns and close. What I'll do is I will copy this and insert in today's class. First step is inserting the values into department table. பாருங்க, insert. Now select star from in the table, copy. Oh, sorry. Now check. முன்னாடி எதுவுமே இல்லை, 0 rows தான் இருக்கு. இப்போ டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் ஐடி, நான் எந்த டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் டீடைல்ஸ் நான் என்டர் பண்ணிட்டா அந்த டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் டீடைல்ஸ் இங்க என்டர் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் ஃபார் ஒன் ஃபீல்டு. இது வந்து நம்ம ஒரே ஒரு ரெக்கார்டு என்டர் பண்ணிட்டேன். நான் இப்போ 3-4 ரெக்கார்டு ஒரே ஒரு டைம் வந்து நான் என்டர் பண்ணுமோன்னா சேம் ஸ்டெப் வாட் யூ நீட் டு டூ இஸ் insert into values. Up to this I am copying. Okay, values. Then next what you need to do is you need to give 102 some department finance. அதுக்கப்புறம் give comma. Then next 103 some science department comma 104 maths department sorry, spelling mistake. Maths department. We'll create one more. Inga paranga almost I am creating 4 at one time. If we want to create, what is other computers department. If we want to create one particular record, what I'll do is I will directly insert the next 101, some the department or whatever the values are there. Or computers. Then next, I have completed. Now fine. Until you give semicolon, you can give many values using comma, 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 comma. And now, if you enter, see, four records got inserted. Now, if you see, select star from, department, just see, 101 to 105, 5 rows. Okay, this is how we actually inserted data into the system. And suppose I have inserted na data insert pannita, insert pannadhukku appuram, if I want to change any data into that, na data modify pannamu anna, there is another command called update update department, sorry, semicolon mandachu, right? So semicolon வரக்கூடாது. Yes. இப்போ set department underscore description is equal to, நான் இப்போ இந்த ஹெச்ஆர் இருக்கு, ரைட்? இந்த ஹெச்ஆர் நான் ஹியூமன் ரிசோர்ஸ் சேஞ்ச் பண்றேன். ஹியூமன் ரிசோர்ஸ். ஓகே, ஹியூமன் ரிசோர்ஸ் வேர் அన్న கண்டிஷன் எங்க நான் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும்? வேர் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் description is equal to HR. எங்க HR ன்னு இருக்கோ அங்கே நானு ஹியூமன் ரிசோர்ஸ் அன்னு சேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும். இப்போ பாருங்க. ஓகே, அப்டேட் பாருங்க. இப்போ அப்டேட் ஒன் ரெக்கார்ட் அப்கிரேட் ஆயிடுச்சு. இப்போ இதையே செலக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. செலக்ட் த நெக்ஸ்ட் பேஜ். இப்போ பாருங்க, ஹியூமன் ரிசோர்ஸ் 101 ஹியூமன் ரிசோர்ஸ். முன்னாடி இது ஹெச்ஆர்என் இருக்கு, இப்போ ஹியூமன் ரிசோர்ஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஓகே, ஸோ அப்டேட் நான் எல்லாத்தையும் இங்க காப்பி பண்றா. ஓகே, ஸோ யூ கேன் inserting one row. For inserting one row, just you need to use this command. Insert department values. Then next, inserting multiple rows. You use this command. Insert row, then next give comma, comma, comma until last. Insert, you need to give comma, comma. அதுக்கப்புறம் semicolon. Wherever you give semicolon, no, it means that is the end of your query. System will consider that as end of your query. That's the reason. See here. Here I have given some update See here, update department, and I have given semicolon. That is the reason some syntax error, madhi syntax one. Then next is updating. Updating the data in a table. How to update on a data? Update is a command. Then next, set is a condition. What I want to change. Na HR ki human resource ಅಂದು ನಾ change பண்ணணும். So what I have done, set எங்கே change பண்ணணும், department description. எந்த column. Okay, so table is department and column is department description. And where you want to change, எங்கே HR department description ನಂದು HR இருக்கோ அதுக்கு ನಾನು human resource and change பண்ணணும். So this is the scenario for updating. Same, see இப்போ இந்த data வந்து select star from department, the next department ID, department description. In the order பாருங்க 101, 102, 103, 105, 101. If I want to change the order, changing the order to order in the orders இருக்கு நம்ம கிட்ட ascending and descending. Two type of order and what it mean is sorting. Sorting. Sorting, how sorting will happen in numbers? In numbers, example 1 to 10. Ascending order. Same. ఇదే 10 to 1 అన్న the descending order. This is descending order. Numbers, for numbers. அந்த மாதிரி text. For text, A to Z is ascending order. Z to A, sorry, Z to A is the descending order. மேல வந்து கீழ வந்து மேல அந்த மாதிரி. Then next, in date format. In date, previous dates to current date. This is ascending. Previous date anna yesterday, day before yesterday and today. Then next, current date to previous dates. இன்னைக்கு வந்து முன்னாடி dates. From today backwards. If you go backwards, it is descending. If you are coming from backwards, it is ascending. This is for dates. And before that, what are the different type of databases? Different data types, actually, sorry, databases ille, data types. What are the different data types we are having? General data types, if we consider, no, namakita major three data types irukku. Numeric, the next date, the next third is text. These are the major. It in numeric you can have integer, the next float, decimal அந்த மாதிரி numeric வந்து நிறைய இருக்கு. but general நம்ம databases நமக்கு knowledge வேணுமானா these are the major data types. Numeric, which is in number form, which is in date form, and a date form that too specifically in YYYYMMDD இந்த form வந்து இருக்கணும். இல்லன்னா system will throw an error stating that date format is not proper. Any text and whatever we actually whatever we type, alphabets, words, sentences, இதெல்லாம் text வந்து வரும். And text needs to mention in single quotes. This is a condition. These are the different data types. This is the okay. Then next, now let us see how we'll give order by. பாருங்க, select star from, just I am taking order by. Order by is the function or the keyword for changing, for sorting. Now I'll mention ascending. Anywhere mistake? Just check. Select star from department, order by descending. Oh, sorry. இங்க order by கொடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் I need to I need to select which one actually need to do order by. அந்த field நான் மறந்துட்டேன். Sorry. I want to do order by on this one. பாருங்க இப்ப 101, 102. இது முன்னாடி எந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு? 102, 103, 104, 105, 101, right? நமக்கு இப்போ 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. So this is the ascending order. இதையும் நான் full copy பண்றேன். Copy பண்ணி நான் இங்க பேஸ்ட். Sorting by ascending, sorting by ascending order. அந்த மாதிரி we have sorting by descending order also. அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்? Order by department ID, the next DESC. இப்போ reverse ஆயிடுச்சு. 105, 101. sorry, sorting by descending order. இது எப்போ descending order வந்திருக்கு. So we are two type of sorting options. One is ascending order. Ascending order அண்ணா low வந்து maximum or minimum வந்து maximum or maximum வந்து minimum. Okay, date அண்ணா previous dates வந்து current date இல்லன்னா current date வந்து previous date. Okay, these are if I want to then next step is ascending, descending, where condition. In Excel வந்து the most important step is where condition. What is the purpose of where condition anna? We are having a large data, large table. Okay, ஒரு பெரிய டேபிள் வந்து நமக்கு certain condition க்கு மட்டும் certain fields வேணுமோ அண்ணா then we'll go for the where condition. Suppose in this I'm having only 5 records. In the 5 records vandu I just want to see what is the department description 1 or 2 ki department description எந்த department description for 1 or 2 அந்த மாதிரி கண்டிஷன் இருக்கு அண்ணா அப்போ நம்ம what we'll do is select start from department where பாருங்க where is again a keyword through which we'll give a condition where department id is equal to 102. just சும்மா 1 or 2 I am giving. பாருங்க இப்போ just check. Operator doesn't exist. Character string is equal to integer. Why this error came? Actually, department ID, whatever is there, that is actually a character, not a number. நான் இங்க number போடுறா, but if you see this particular, this is a character. So what is the condition for character? Wherever you are having condition, you need to, wherever you are having character, you need to give that in double quotes. Because I have not given in double quotes, I got this error. இப்போ பாருங்க, I will give that condition 102. Done. Select star from where condition. இந்த மாதிரி இந்த வேர் கண்டிஷன் வந்து நம்ம நிறைய கண்டிஷன்ஸ் கொடுக்க முடியும். பட் நமக்கு இங்க only 2 columns இருக்கு, right? So 2 columns இருக்கு. So I have given only one condition. இதையே different option try பண்ணலாம். இப்போ அட்லீஸ்ட் 2 கண்டிஷன் கொடுக்கலாம் நம்ம. வேர் கண்டிஷன் okay. Now I am giving this same select star from department where department is equal to 102 and use பண்றேன் இப்போ நானு. Okay, in this we can use and or not. மூணு option use பண்ண முடியும். And or not. And I am giving database description is equal to, oh sorry, இங்க நான் இது மிஸ் ஆயிட்டா. And data description is equal to நான் human resource கொடுக்குறேன். Okay. What will be the output over here? எதுவுமே வராது. Why? Because end condition. I have given end condition. End condition அண்ணா இந்த ரெண்டு equation எந்த ரெண்டு equations department ID and department description ரெண்டு equations satisfy ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா அப்பே நமக்கு result வரும், இல்லைன்னா result வராது. So and or operator, how it works is, now let us see and operator. End operator. End operator, how it works is, first நம்மக்கிட்ட இப்போ two conditions இருக்கு, right? Two conditions, and every max student will be knowing this. Condition 1, condition 2, result. Okay, if condition 1 is true, condition 2 is true, then only result will be true. Otherwise remaining எல்லா conditions, remaining எல்லா scenarios வந்து எத்தனை scenarios வரும்? True false, true false, true false is false. And what is the other scenario? False true, false, false, true. False true is true. அதுக்கப்புறம் false, 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 false is false. ரெண்டுமே false சின்ன ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா false. இந்த மாதிரி நமக்கு இங்க only two conditions நான் யூஸ் பண்ணியாச்சு. அந்த மாதிரி நம்ம நிறைய conditions யூஸ் பண்ணோம். true 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 அந்த மாதிரி four conditions வரும். பெரிய பெரிய ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் வந்து 10 கண்டிஷன் மேலேயும் வரும். 10 கண்டிஷன் இருக்கான்னா 10 கண்டிஷனும் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை ஆகணும். அப்பே you will get the result when you are using AND operator. அந்த மாதிரி we are having OR operator as well. OR operator வந்து ஒரு கண்டிஷன் ட்ரூ ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா, ஓ சாரி இங்க ஃபால்ஸ் வரும், திஸ் இஸ் ஃபால்ஸ், சாரி. ட்ரூ ட்ரூ மட்டும்தான் ட்ரூ, அண்ட் வந்து ரிமைனிங் எல்லாதும் ஃபால்ஸ். அண்ட் இங்க ஃபால்ஸ் மட்டும்தான் ஆக்சுவலா ஃபால்ஸ், ரிமைனிங் எல்லாதும் ட்ரூ. இப்போ செக் பண்ணுங்க. we'll try for different scenario. select start from department. நம்ம end வந்து ரெண்டு true conditions கொடுக்கலாம். where department is equal to and department 102 என்ன 102, what is 102? finance. okay, and is equal to finance. இப்ப பாருங்க, because both conditions are true, you got the result. both and conditions are true. now same scenario நான் R condition use பண்றேன். select start from department, then next where department ID is equal to 102, or நான் R use பண்றேன், or to department is equal to this. இப்போ செக் பண்ணுங்க, because I have used R condition, இது வந்து எந்த அட்லீஸ்ட் ஒன் கண்டிஷன் ட்ரூ ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா நமக்கு ரிசல்ட் வரும். ஸோ இந்த கண்டிஷன் இதையும் கரெக்ட் கண்டிஷன் தான், இது
Sir, your voice not audible, sir.
True, and this condition is false. But because we are using OR condition, we got this condition output.
Sir, your screen not visible, sir.
போயிச்சா?
ஆமா.
Why it is happening?
Maybe network issue.
ஐயோ எப்போ போகுது தெரியல.
Now visible, sir.
நோ விசிபிளா?
Yes, sir.
ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம் நானும். ஓகே. So or condition with both scenarios correct. The next OR scenario with OR condition with one scenario correct. Then next OR condition. Now we'll go to other table. Basic table நம்ம actually பார்த்தாச்சு, right? நம்ம இப்போ இந்த global store இல்லைன்னா supermarket sales இது வந்து we are having around 20-30 columns. Okay, in the 20-30 columns வந்து supermarket sales. Yeah, இது வந்து how many PQ total 17 columns இருக்கு. Okay, இந்த columns வந்து நம்ம இப்போ based upon gender or based upon the location or based upon the customer type, total sales. Okay, total sales எவ்வளோ ஆயிடுச்சு அது நம்ம செக் பண்ணணும். Suppose if we see here excel வந்து okay filter hyderabad வந்து sales, how much sales? Around 106,200 sales. Now இதே நம்ம எக்ஸல் வந்து பண்ணலாம். Okay, sum of sales for Hyderabad region. This is my requirement. Hyderabad region இல்லன்னா Hyderabad, Vijayawada, Vizag எல்லா places வந்து ஹைதராபாத் வந்து total sales எவ்வளோ, விஜயவாடா வந்து sales எவ்வளோ, வைசாக் வந்து sales எவ்வளோ. If you want to check like this, how we need to write a logic. First we'll try to write select sum of sales from what is the table name? Oh, that is actually total from ஜஸ்ட் செக் பண்ணுங்க. 322966. இப்போ எக்ஸல் வந்து செக் பண்ணலாம். நான் இப்போ ஃபுல்லா ஃபில்டர் ரிமூவ் பண்ணியாச்சு. இங்க பாருங்க, 322966. 322966.749. ரைட். இப்போ இங்க இங்க பாருங்க, 322966.749. நமக்கு இப்போ ஃபுல் டோட்டல் வந்தாச்சு. அதுக்கு நான் என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? சம். இஃப் ஐ வாண்ட் டு ஹாவ் தி ஆவரேஜ், செலக்ட் ஆவரேஜ் சேல்ஸ் வேணுமான்னா ஆவரேஜ் ஆஃப் டோட்டல். This is the average. 322966. நான் இது ரெண்டும் காப்பி பண்றேன். Calculating for sum of sales. This is for calculating the sum of sales. Okay. Then next, calculating for average sales. Calculating for average sales. This is for total records. This is for total records. Full records வந்து நம்ம இப்போ sales, then next sales, then next நான் average calculate பண்ணிட்டேன். ஓகே. இப்போ நம்ம gender wise, then next city wise calculate பண்ணணும்னா அப்போ how to do? Select city, comma, sum of sales from this particular table. Enter. You will not get result. Oh, sorry. First of all, sum of is sales. Every time I'm doing same mistake. Sorry. Sum of total from result varadu. Why? When we are having a sum, average, minimum, maximum, count, ಇದೆಲ್ಲದು we call as aggregate operators. Aggregate operators. Okay. What are these aggregate operators? Sum, average, min, max, count. These are the aggregate operators. ஓகே. இந்த ஆபரேட்டர்ஸ் நான் யூஸ் பண்ண டைம் வந்து கண்டிப்பா குரூப் பை கிளாஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஓகே. ஸோ நான் குரூப் பை கிளாஸ் எந்த மாதிரி யூஸ் பண்ணணும்னா சம் ஆஃப் சேல்ஸ் குரூப் பை சிட்டி. ஜஸ்ட் செக். இப்போ செக் பண்ணுங்க. Vizag 10,620 Hyderabad, Vizag, then next Vizag and Vijayawada. So இந்த மாதிரி டேட்டா வரும் when we are using group by. Next is group by operator. This is for group by. Whenever we are using group by, apart from this aggregate value, what other columns are there, all we need to take in group by. In whenever we are using aggregate, whenever we are using aggregate functions, we need to use group by class. This is first step. Okay, நம்ம group by class and எந்த columns use பண்ணணும், that is next step. In group by class, we need to take all the columns except the aggregate columns. Okay, so here நமக்கு இது வந்து two columns தான் இருக்கு, city, sum of total. So நான் இப்போ group by வந்து நான் city select பண்ணிட்டேன். அந்த மாதிரி இப்போ we are having gender இருக்கு, நம்ம கிட்ட customer type இருக்கு, product line இருக்கு, gender இருக்கு. So let us take these three also along with the city. Some city comma customer type, city comma customer type comma product line comma gender from comma. நான் இப்போ டைரக்டா sum of total comma average of total comma minimum of total comma maximum of total எல்லாது select பண்றா. all aggregate functions I am selecting in one particular column itself. அந்த மாதிரி பண்ண முடியும். Okay, from supermarket sales. Okay, group by. நான் இப்போ only city, I'll give only city. Just check பண்ணுங்க. Okay, spelling mistake, sorry. Product line comma we can write the code in next lines also. நான் எந்த மாதிரி ரைட் பண்ண அந்த மாதிரி ரைட் பண்ண முடியும். ஒரே ஒரு லைன் வந்து ரைட் பண்ண தேவையில்லை ஆக்சுவலா. Sum, average, minimum, maximum, from select statement is over. Select statement இங்க select statement complete ஆயிடுச்சு. அதுக்கப்புறம் from classக்கு அப்புறம் group by I will give only city. product line, sales, no, திருப்பி அதே mistake. ரூபாய் city. இப்ப பாருங்க. Column customer type must appear in group clause. Column customer type. Okay, customer type வேணும். நான் customer type கொடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் again it will give something like product line வேணும். அது கொடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் ஜெண்டரும் வேணும். அந்த மாதிரி 4 times you will get the same error. But main thing here is in select statement, apart from these aggregate values, whatever other values you are, whatever other columns you are having, எல்லா காலம்ஸ் group by வந்து நமக்கு கண்டிப்பா மென்ஷன் பண்ணணும். மென்ஷன் பண்ணலன்னா இந்த மாதிரி தான் எரர் மேல எரர் வரும். நான் திருப்பி அந்த மாதிரி நான் பண்ணேன். ஓகே, சிட்டிக்கு அப்புறம் கஸ்டமர் டைப், அதுக்கப்புறம் ப்ராடக்ட் லைன் அண்ட் ஜெண்டர். These are the columns which we are having apart from these aggregate values. இப்போ செக் பண்ணுங்க. விசாகப்பட்டினம் வந்து ஓகே, விசாகப்பட்டினம் வந்து நார்மல், ஹைதராபாத் வந்து மெம்பர். இந்த மாதிரி will get different output. Average, then next minimum, maximum, எல்லா columns ஆக்சுவலா நான் சைஸ் ஆக்சுவலி இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணிட்டா. இப்போ டிக்ரீஸ் பண்ணியாச்சுக்கு அப்புறம் பாருங்க. Now you got the minimum, maximum, all details. Just I will share this particular query. You can actually try at your end. Okay, so these are some of the basics of SQL, where class, group by class, then next update, updateக்கு அப்புறம் delete இருக்கு ஆக்சுவலா. Again we'll go to our this function, control C, control V. Now if I want to delete this 1 or 2 record, whenever you are using delete command, be cautious. Otherwise what will happen in Postgres is there is no rollback. Okay, see, delete from my intention, நம்ம intention என்ன, delete from this table, department id is equal to 1 or 2, or department description is equal to finance. Okay, நான் இப்போ நான் அது மறந்துட்டா நான். Okay, I'll give some department, delete, full போயிடுச்சு. Now now just see, select count of 1 from full table காலி ஆயிடுச்சு. Okay, so whenever you are using delete, and in real time scenarios, don't use delete just like that. You need to, ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம் please. Yeah, in real time okay, delete command use பண்ணதுக்கு முன்னாடி you need to take either your manager's approval, because you are still in the initial stages of your career. மேனேஜர் இல்லைன்னா கிளைண்ட் கிட்ட ஒரு மாதிரி பேசுறதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் delete யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. பிகாஸ் இங்க பாருங்க, இங்க நம்ம கிட்ட only 5 rows தான் இருக்கு. பட் but if we are having, suppose in the global store, same thing, select star from இல்ல select count of 1 from, நம்ம கிட்ட another table இருக்கு, right? What is this table? Global store table. Global store. How many records are there? 51,290. Now by mistake I have executed போயிடுச்சு. ஃபுல்லா 51,290 records போயிடுச்சு. Select star from, gone. Nothing is there in this. Right? So delete use பண்ண time வந்து you need to be very cautious and try to implement with where condition only. நம்ம கிட்ட இப்போ ஆக்சுவலா டேட்டா இருக்கு, ஸோ நோ ப்ராப்ளம். நான் இந்த குளோபல் ஸ்டோர் இந்த கமாண்ட் திருப்பி நான் யூஸ் பண்ணினா ஃபுல்லா டேட்டா வரும் பாருங்க. again got copied. இப்போ select distinct country, select distinct country from, நான் இந்த டேபிள் யூஸ் no, let us go to our department only. அங்கே நமக்கு இங்கே நமக்கு ஆக்சுவலா லெஸ் ரெக்கார்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு. உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியா அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் ஆகும். இன்சர்ட், நமக்கு இன்சர்ட் இங்க ஓகே. Here we have insert, right? We'll again copy this, automatically it will come. Or record copy ஆயிடுச்சு. Then next insert into department. Select count of 1 from department. Okay, so we got 5 records. Select, what I will do is select star from, now we got 5 records, right? இது வந்து இப்போ delete from, what I will do is delete from department where, இப்போ நான் condition யூஸ் பண்றேன், where department id is equal to 102. நான் இப்போ 102 டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் ஃபினான்ஸ் நான் ரிமூவ் பண்றேன். ஓகே, delete one record. பாருங்க இப்போ delete one record. Then next select star from, cross check பண்ணுங்க, select star from, இப்போ பாருங்க 101 102, நடுல 102 இல்ல, 103 104 105 மட்டும்தான் இருக்கு, நடுல 102 delete ஆயிடுச்சு. Right? So this is entire data will get deleted. Delete function for removing rows in a table. Then next use always. Okay, I'll mention right. Always use where condition along with delete. Okay, if you want to delete rows from a table, what you need to do, you need to use a delete command. And madre we have a drop command. Drop department use பண்ணீனா table drop ஆகும். இப்போ ஆக்சுவலா இந்த டேபிள் வந்து காலம்ஸ் delete ஆயிடுச்சு ரைட். நான் drop ஃபங்க்ஷன் யூஸ் பண்ணினா இந்த டேபிள் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் டேபிளே ஆக்சுவலா drop ஆகும். ஓகே, 11 ஆயிடுச்சு. Let me take some other topic also. Today again we'll go to our metabase. Sorry, now metabase, how to open my metabase? First I need to command prompt under D folder, cd metabase. After cd metabase I need to run a jar function. I'll take the jar function. This is a jar function. Java.jar metabase. Java-jar metabase. Open ஆகிறதுக்கு கொஞ்சம் time ஆகும். In the meantime, we'll go to our metabase login. Metabase login and localhost. Just type localhost வரும். Initialization ஆகுது. Initialization அப்புறம் initialization reading variables. Yes, initialization. Now our metabase is open. See, this is our, இப்போ இந்த department, just check. We have these details. These are today's details. Okay, last week we have created folders in this particular, see, in this nm data analytics. We have created some count by customer type, count by some tables row count, some sales by these, some questions we have executed, right? After this, next step is creating a dashboard. nm data analytics, and I will mention this dashboard in nm analytics wherever we are having nm analytics. Karthik,
Yes, sir.
yeah, can you switch on the chat for 5 minutes? I
Yeah,
just want to
okay.
understand whether everyone installed this metabase or not.
Yeah, okay, sir. I will enable the chat.
Yeah, enable please. Is anyone facing problem while installing metabase or already installed metabase? Can you please type in chat, please? Your chat box will be open for next 10 minutes. Okay, you can type whatever doubts or whatever clarifications you are having in metabase installation or any other doubts also. Your chat box is open. You can mention over there. Yes, either students or faculty also. If any of your students are facing installation related issues, or while doing last almost this is my fourth class. In these three sessions I have given exercises as well. In exercises, if there are any, if they are having any doubts, okay, because as of now we have not even received in our group also. If you are having any doubts or clarification, you can mention in chat, please. I am just mentioning hi all. Metabase mobile doubt pan use pan lama sir. I don't think it can be installed. When are your start when are you start the class? In the class Bhuvanaloshini. Metabase mobile vandu panna mudiyadu because you need to even have Java installed. Just or maru check pannanga. I don't think it is not possible. Mobile vandu. Mobile vandu SQL panna mudiyum, Excel panna mudiyum, but Metabase no. Yes, someone is saying hi. This chat is not opened for saying hi bye or some other informations. Only please type your doubts so that I can clarify your doubts, and which can be helpful for others as well. Yes, I didn't understand because of the screen sharing. Which screen sharing you are mentioning? So we can watch and clarify doubts. I think Ganesh, we are sharing the recordings to them, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Already upload பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
yes, Sudarshan, we have uploaded all these. Only today's is pending. Remaining all are already uploaded. Um, Already this is answered. I don't think we can use metabase in mobile one, because metabase is dependent on yesterday you will say sir link open and PDF exercise, you will try that link opened, how to open that link, sir. yesterday Yesterday link open agli, testing link. See, if the I am still saying this is not. I have not opened this chat to say hi, hello, how are you, sir? Okay, just please put your questions only. Okay, don't spam this chat. That is the reason we actually stopped using this spam. Sorry, this chat. Appo metabase laptop la da download panni use pannuma sir. Yes, yes. Your explanation is very clear, sir. Thank you. Thank you. But try to install metabase. Metabase install panli anna almost next class ಒಂದು metabase முடிஞ்சு போகுது. Already okay, day before yesterday, right? I have taken session on metabase. We can't able to open. Okay, this is Tanya discussion. This I am only concerned with the data analytics related. Madam, my voice is not that sweet. I know that, and this again I am repeatedly saying this is not to mention how I am, what I am, and how my voice is, whether my voice is good for singing or not. Adiki in the chat to open panliya, okay? Only relevant questions mattunda கேட்டுங்க இங்க. Otherwise, I'll stop the chat. Still, thank you. We are not having laptop. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for understanding. Okay, we are not having laptop. Is there any way to practice exercises? I don't think so. How did you make the exercises work? And Sanja ma'am, if you are a trainer, that is if you are a faculty from there, that is your responsibility for making the exercises. Okay, அந்த exercises வந்து எதனா doubt இருக்குன்னா அது கேட்டுங்க, that I will answer. That is one option. Second option is second option I need to look into, but definitely by next Monday I'll come with some solution on that. But this is the responsibility of the faculty. My responsibility is to share the exercises, and when will you give the weekly test results? Weekly test, okay, weekly, because thank you, Krutika. Today, 7 o'clock, you will be having your data analytics test. Okay, we are not having laptops, sir. Mm. If you are not having laptop, just try to try, because I came to Annamalai University, and I came even to Tiruvallur University. Both universities I came, and you are having very big labs over there. You can even work in your labs. You don't need to have laptop at home only. You are having, I came to both the labs. Both labs are big, and both labs are working good also. If you are not having laptops, you avail the opportunity which you are having at your college. You are having no lab facilities, sir. அதுக்கு நான் எதுவுமே பண்ண முடியாது, ma'am. Sorry for that. But I saw the labs, okay, in Tiruvallur and Annamalai University both, because metabase and this Excel, whatever. Yes, I'll be giving my today's exercise. First step, create a create a table create a table called department with fields first is you are able to see my screen, right? This is your first thing.
Sir,
Then next
your screen not visible, sir. Webex
okay,
ஓட screen தான்
திருப்பி
தெரியுது.
huh?
Webex ஓட screen தான் சார் தெரியுது.
Webex ஓட ஸ்கிரீன் தான் தெரியுதா? ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம், நான் ஸ்கிரீன் ஸ்டாப் ஷேரிங் நான் திருப்பி ஆன் பண்றேன். ஐ ரியலி டோன்ட் நோ
Okay.
வாட் இஸ் ஹேப்பனிங். நடுல போகுது. நவ்
No, sir. Um,
நவ் எஸ், ரைட்?
no, sir. Full black.
Is it necessary to submit all the exercises you have given? Exercise கொடுத்துக்கிறதே அதுக்கு, ரைட் மேம்? Just we are not giving for fun, right? Exercise run for two things. It will be helpful for actually increasing your knowledge. Second is for submitting in your college.
Screen இன்னும் தெரியல சார். ஃபுல்லா blank-ஆ தான்
Yes
இருக்கு.
or no? Then நான் வெளிய போய் திருப்பி வரணுமான்னா பிளாக் ஆகுதானே ஒரு டவுட். இப்போ
இல்ல சார். blank-ஆ தான் இருக்கு. நீங்க ஒரு வாட்டி லீவ் ஆயிட்டு திரும்ப ஜாயின் பண்றீங்களா சார்?
ஓகே, அப்போ
ஓகே சார். Sir, now audible, sir.
Audible, yes.
Yes, sir. இப்போ
Yeah.
ஸ்க்ரீன் தெரியுது சார். ரெஸ்யூம் பண்ணு சார்.
Resume pang. Okay, yeah. Yes, chat one to any new chat. Okay, first let me try to write the okay, insert 5 records. This is first exercise. Okay, and first exercise is create table. Second exercise is create 5 records. Then next third exercise, from here only I'll mention. Create 5 records na hingante na okay. 5 or 4 records. Then next to 4, the 106, some physics. Okay, insert 5 records. Then next, update the department description is equal to physics to some general science. You need to change this to general science. That is one more. You need to update the dip to from this particular table. This is fourth, this is third, the next fourth, do the descending order sorting on department description. The next fifth is select sum of display the total amount from what is our supermarket sales total from table. Okay, same. Sixth is display the average total from per gender and city. This is sixth. Delete the records from supermarket sales for city Hyderabad. Okay, these are the seven questions. These are the very basic 7 questions. You try to You try to answer again. I'll come back to our chat. Vinodini Rajendran, where we can find Postgres, what it is. Metabase mobile ಒಂದು work ಆಗದು. PDF, okay. Sir, I didn't attend the test yesterday. Is there any problem, sir? Yeah, problem the it will be mentioned as absent. We can't able to see. Okay, now it is resolved. Is it necessary to submit all the exercises you have given? Marks venumu anna submit pannanga. I can understand, but please explain in some words for Tamil, sir. Some words what I can understand, but explanation in some words for Tamil, sir. We can't able to screen. We can't able to open the PDFs. What is Python? Python vara time and the Python we'll discuss on Python. Okay, Java. What is Java means, Anna? Java is a Java is a programming language. நமக்கு C, C++, எந்த மாதிரி programming languages இருக்கோ அந்த மாதிரி Java is also one of the programming language. Okay, then next, where we can find Postgres and what it is. Where we can find Postgres means um, as a as a prerequisites for this course itself, we have mentioned that some database idea need to have. So anyhow, I'll share the path and how to install Postgres. So, Postgres anna அது ஒரு database. Okay. நமக்கு Oracle இருக்கு right. Oracle SQL server MySQL மாதிரி Postgres ஒரு database. Hi. தமிழே சொல்லுங்க சார். I'll try to speak more in Tamil and less in English. Okay. Output எப்படி? What is database? Super question. Anandika. Madam, uh, I don't know. Sir, my friend mobile was not support to open the class. It's had any problem, sir, but she attended the test. Classes attend பண்ணதுக்கு try பண்ணுங்க. Otherwise, if at all any classes miss ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா, you can still have videos, but டெஸ்ட்டுக்கு அந்த மாதிரி ஆப்ஷன் இல்லை. once you are missed your exam, நமக்கு final exam எந்த மாதிரியோ அந்த மாதிரி தான். If you missed exam, it will be mentioned as absent all that. But classes miss ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா still you are having these videos, so you can actually see those videos. Yes, first of all let me answer what is database. What is data analytics, sir? Sir, already 4 class முடிஞ்சிச்சு. You can go to my first class. There I have mentioned what is data analytics. What is the purpose of attending this class? ஒரு மார்க்ஸ் வரும். ஓகே, 2 நாலேஜ் வரும். ரெண்டுமே ரெண்டுமே தேவை. ரெண்டுமே இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் போத் யூ அட்டெண்ட், அதர்வைஸ் இட்ஸ் ஆப்ஷனல். மார்க்ஸ் நாலேஜ் வேணுமன்னா யூ கேன். Yes, just give me, just stop typing for 2 minutes. Let me answer few questions. Someone asked, what is actually a database? Okay, what is Python? Python, next to next class we'll see. Someone, I think Anandika, someone asked, what is a database? Database, how we can say is, database is an organized collection of data. Okay, it's a collection of data and stored in a computer system. அந்த ஒரு டேட்டா ஃபுல்லா ஒரு கம்ப்யூட்டர் சிஸ்டம் வந்து டேட்டாபேஸ். நம்ம for that we call that as a database management system. ஃபுல்லா ஃபுல்லா அந்த collection of data ன்னா நமக்கு suppose we want employee related table. We are having employee related table. So na database வந்து what I'll do is, நான் ஒரு table employee table அந்த மாதிரி employee table create பண்ணி அந்த employee table வந்து what are the columns that required, or what are the rows that will required. Then next, அந்த மாதிரி I will create ஒரு database, ஒரு department. அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு student table. இந்த ஃபுல்லா tables create பண்ணி அந்த created tablesக்கு ஃபுல்லா what I'll do, no, I will create a joins between all those tables to get some information, some relevant information. Then that will become an employee மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் சிஸ்டம். அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு டேட்டா பேஸ் ரெடி ஆகும். அந்த மாதிரி நமக்கு ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ரிலேட்டட் வேணுமன்னா ஸ்டூடெண்ட் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன். ஸ்டூடெண்ட் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் நேம், ஸ்டூடெண்ட் நம்பர், ஸ்டூடெண்ட் மொபைல் நம்பர், ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஜிமெயில், இது ஃபுல்லா நான் ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட் டேபிள் கிரியேட் பண்ணிட்டேன். Then next, student and classes will be having different classes, right? BSc class, the next MSc, BSc, BCom, BSc computers. So for these I will create another table called classes table. அந்த மாதிரி I will create another table called library. Suppose students taken some books from library, what books he has taken, when he need to return that book. So or library table, I will take library table, classes table. Then next, courses table, classes and courses table. The next, student table. The next, faculty table, which faculty is taking classes to which student. அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் சிஸ்டம் ரெடி ஆகும். ஸோ பேஸ் இஸ் டேட்டாபேஸ் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் சிஸ்டம். ஒரு ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் இருக்குன்னா அது ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ப்ராஜெக்ட். இஃப் யூ ஆர் டேக்கிங் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ப்ராஜெக்ட் ஆர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் சிஸ்டம், நான் சொன்ன மாதிரி ஸ்டூடெண்ட் கோர்ஸ், தென் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஃபீஸ் டீடைல்ஸ், அது எல்லாத்தும் வரும் டேட்டா, ரைட்? அந்த மாதிரி நான் எம்ப்ளாயி டிபார்ட்மெண்ட், எம்ப்ளாயி சேலரி ரிலேட்டட் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன், எம்ப்ளாயி ப்ராஜெக்ட் ரிலேட்டட் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன், அது ஒரு எம்ப்ளாயி மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் சிஸ்டம் மாதிரி ஆகும். This is what actually a database is. In this database, we will be using a concept called SQL. SQL means structured query language. In that, if I want library வந்து how many students have taken books and how many in how many days they need to return. So I will write a query student library join பண்ணி what are the student names and when they need to return. அந்த மாதிரி student course in the course வந்து எத்தனை ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு, அந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து எத்தனை மேல் இருக்கு, எத்தனை ஃபீமேல் இருக்கா. If I want to get that information, I will join a course detail, the next student detail, join, then next I'll retrieve that information. அதுக்கு SQL நான் யூஸ் பண்றேன். database management system, then next SQL. I hope you understood. Then next someone asked what is metabase. Okay, what is metabase? Anna, metabase is a visualization tool. Okay, so let me take in the supermarket table irka. If you are see, you cannot make out anything out of this Excel sheet, right? In the Excel sheet நமக்கு வந்து நான் எதுவுமே analyze பண்ணதுக்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். We'll get some information, but full analyze பண்ணது கஷ்டம். So what I'll do is I will take this insert power pivot and table new. நான் ஒரு visualization மாதிரி நான் பண்றேன். Okay, city, customer name, city or country country அப்புறம் we have sales, right? We have sales over here, sales, sum of sales, and I'll apply country as a filter also. Now filter condition apply பண்றேன். Okay, so in this பாருங்க இப்ப in this I will select whatever the columns I want. So in the four country rows ಒಂದು பாருங்க இப்ப you got this. இது நான் இப்போ எக்ஸல் வந்து நான் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்றேன். இந்த மாதிரி விசுவலைசேஷன்ஸ் நம்ம மெட்டாபேஸ் வந்து பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ மெட்டாபேஸ் இஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் தி விசுவலைசேஷன் டூல்ஸ். நிறைய டூல்ஸ் இருக்கு. அது வந்து மெட்டாபேஸ் இஸ் வை வி ஆர் யூசிங் மெட்டாபேஸ் அண்ணா மெட்டாபேஸ் இஸ் ஏ ஓபன் சோர்ஸ். ஓபன் சோர்ஸ் அண்ணா ஃப்ரீ டு யூஸ், நமக்கு எதுவுமே காசு பே பண்ண தேவையில்லை. ஸோ வி ஆர் யூசிங் திஸ் பர்டிகுலர் மெட்டாபேஸ். Then next, Python at the class, Java I already mentioned. Where we can find Postgres already mentioned. What is database mentioned. What Vinod Kumar for data analytics, you can go and check my very first class. In that I have explained what is data analytics, what are the steps in data analytics, what is metabase explained, what is the purpose of this class explained. We got only reading notes, not video recording, sir. Sridevi madam, till yesterday all these video recordings were already kept. If you are a faculty, you can mention in the faculty group. Otherwise, if you are a student, you can check with your respective faculty members. First test miss aichina, no problem. You can write your second test. What is data type? Okay, super. What is data type, Anna? Namakku data. See, I have showed the data here, right? We have some data. Okay, we have some data. City one, some data. The next customer type, gender. In the Madari, we are having data to make. system understand or to make us comfortable, we actually categorized mainly into three different data types. One is numeric. Inga paranga unit price whatever is there, this is in numeric format. And date is in date format. And another is general text format. Hyderabad, member, female, male, health and beauty, the next sports and travel. இந்த மாதிரி data இருக்குன்னா you call this as the text. And this type, if you are having any hyphen, or if you take your PAN number, or if you take your Aadhaar card, those you can consider as alphanumeric. Means in that you will be having number also, as well as text or some hyphen in the mother hyphen or something. That type is called alphanumeric. These are the three different type of majorly three different data types we are having. Then next, what is metabase, what is data type? Up to data type is done. Yes, sir, understood. Yesterday you will say open that link, sir. How link and create account, sir. Yes, for that, Divya, I have given one document called metabase, metabase, metabase account creation steps. You go to this metabase. Yesterday, I have given a Google Drive access. From that, you go to this metabase account creation, and you can actually, you can, what you will say, you can create your account. Any other queries, please? I think all the questions are how to create the dates, sir. Where you want to create date, madam Divya? How to create data? You don't need to create data. I am giving you the data, right? In next steps, I will even teach that also. Otherwise, there are so many websites. நமக்கு டேட்டா கிரியேட் பண்ண தேவையில்லை ஆக்சுவலா. Just in my next class I am going to teach. I think you are able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Kaggle.com, Kaggle.com. This is one website. How to watch your first class means, Vinod sir, we are mentioning along with the date. So my first class was on, um, today is 8th, right? My first class was on 30th, 30th July. 30th July was my first class. August 1st was my second. August 6th is third, and today is fourth class. So you can go and check that. What is and or not operators? These are the operators which we use in our where class, Gaulita. I have shown in this exercise, right? Where and class. See here, I have shown end class. And one more best thing is you can go to, I will share you one more link. I will share you one more link. From there also, you can actually gain more exposure on this Postgres also. Whatever, Nisham. Go to W3 schools. Okay, this is a website, W3 schools, whatever, Nisham. I will from. PostgreSQL PostgreSQL tutorial first இருக்க W tools. Just, just take this website. Just take this website. Yes, Gayatri, for downloading metabase. For downloading metabase installation. In previous class, I have given a document of installing metabase. From there, you can actually download. Uh, you can get the steps for downloading Excel, downloading this metabase. Gaulita, you can go to this website. Like I have mentioned, in where class you will be using and or not operator. Yes, any other queries, please? Only one request I'm having is don't spam this. Um, son, that you can check with your concerned sir, concerned faculty, sir or madam. They will share you when you need to submit your exercises. This chat is specially meant for our class, but when we are opening this, what is happening is in this high messages were being sent to through one person to another person through this chat. That is the reason we are actually stopping this chat. We face a data problem, sir, because the sessions are too long. What data problem you are facing? Okay, you can discuss this with your faculty members, because this we are going as part of our agenda. Okay, and this agenda is being finalized by NM team after discussing with the concerned universities. So in we are nowhere linked with that. Our scope is to complete the session within the duration. Yes, Java and metabase రెండుమే different da. Java is a programming language and metabase is a data visualization language. But but there is a link between metabase and Java through what is different. What is different data type, sir? With example. Okay, if you take sales amount, sales amount, this is this is numeric data type. Numeric data type. Then next, student name, text. Then next, student admission date. Understood, ma? Okay, good, good, good. While attending the class, data is consuming more class because class is too long. அதுக்கு நான் என்ன பண்ண முடியும் சொல்லுங்க? You increase your this data, whatever is there, that you increase that. Okay, then next questions, please. Only I sincerely request you to ask questions related to data analytics. sir, I am attending class. நடுவுல கரண்ட் போயிடுச்சு. What I can do? நானும் எதுவுமே பண்ண முடியாது. For me also power will go. Only related to data analytics, database. Exercises. For exercises, any questions you ask. How to submit exercises, to whom to submit exercises, when to submit exercises, all these are related or linked to your own faculties. Prepared for that. And and these tests are mandatory. And once this test is missed, only you are going to write your next test. That's all. Which coding language should learn first? Which coding language needs to we are that's the reason, Salma, we are going in a process. First we have taken Excel, adikapram we are taking now SQL and metabase, then next we'll move on to the Python. So whatever the process we are following, the same thing you can. Yes, I'll be good. What are the steps of data analysis and the data steps? What are the steps of data analysis and the data steps? Can you be little clear on your question, Muziba, right? Yeah, Muziba. What are the steps in data? What are the steps in data analysis means I have mentioned in my last class. I'll show 1 minute. July 29th. July 29th. If you see my class, in this I have mentioned. See here. Define the question. Collect the data. Clean the data. Analyze the data. Visualization. These are the steps process. This I have explained in my last class, first class. Sorry, not on the last class, very first class. Along with biryani example, I have explained. Yes, it's going
சார்
to.
அது உங்க ஸ்கிரீன் தெரியல சார்.
No, I am not showing my
Yeah.
screen at all. I am only answering to the questions, whatever they are asking.
ஓகே சார்.
Yeah, they are asking some questions in the chat. See, now you are able to see my screen, right? Karthik, you are able to see my screen right now? Define the question,
Yeah,
collect the
yes, sir.
data. Yeah. Define the question, collect the data, clean the data, analyze the data, visualize and insights. You are, you can please explain the simple words. You are, insert the 5 records. You can please explain the simple words. Okay, so going to going to today's exercise. Okay, this is the exercise I have mentioned. Insert 5 records I have mentioned here. Insert, why we need to do the insert? First of all, in any of the database projects, okay, in any of the database projects, we'll be first creating the database. In last class we have created a non-modal database. In that non-modal database, first step is creating the database. Step 1, creating the database. Second step, creating the tables in that database. This is second step. Third step is, when we create database, it will be empty. Database will be empty. In that we'll be creating the tables. Tables create pannathukku appuram tables will be empty. Right? Tables will be empty. So I'll be inserting rows into that table. So third step is inserting the rows into that particular table. This is a way we actually can do. WebEx is not on my friends' mobiles, sir. So can you provide? We are only we are accessing through WebEx. So this is whose question actually? Anandika, you understood, right? How we actually do the process? Yes. First is, see, when we purchase a laptop will be empty. Nothing will be there, right? புது லேப்டாப் only C drive மட்டும் இருக்கு. அந்த C drive வந்து எதுவுமே இருக்காது. Then what we'll do? We will create a different drive. அந்த drive வந்து we'll create folders. Folders வந்து we will create some files, right? Same thing applicable even for the database also. When in the server, first server will be there. In that particular server, database will be installed. When database is installed in that server, there will not be any fresh new database. In that we will based upon, see, if you take any big company, in that they will be having many projects. In those many projects, what they will do is they will create many databases based upon that particular project. Why we need again, you might ask, why we need a database, sir? Last time you asked, right, someone asked, right, why we need to database, sir? See, in your college, you will be having BSc maths student, BSc physics student, BSc botany student. Okay, if I make you all to sit in one room, what will happen? Everyone will get confused. What is happening? So for that, what universities will do? They will create a BSc maths group. In that, only BSc maths student will be there. BSc science students, in that only BSc science students. BCom another class, in that only BCom students, right? அந்த மாதிரி தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சர்வர் வந்து டேட்டாபேஸ் இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணி, டேட்டாபேஸ் இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் will create தனியா தனியா databases based upon the requirement. இப்போ BSc maths science BCom மாதிரி will create different databases. அந்த databases create பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் will create the tables. Suppose I told, right, student management system. In the student management system, student information will be there, course information will be there, then next student course, the next library information is there, placements information will be there, like that. In that student management system database, you will be having student table, library table, courses table, faculty table, placement table, இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய tables. So when you create the tables, again tables will be empty. There will not be any record in that. Then we'll start inserting. Okay, BSc students, BSc first year, BSc second year, BSc third year, student name, and faculty name, library, what are the books involved in library, placement, which year who got placed, right? And the மாதிரி every table will create the rows. That is how entire process will be. After getting the data, after inserting the data, then you will start looking into where condition, where where city is equal to, okay, in the Annamalai University on the Annamalai, where university is equal to Annamalai. Then next, city is equal to Chidambaram, and what are the colleges in that particular Chidambaram? You will get some colleges. Annamadari, once you get the data, we will be again applying condition on that particular data based upon our project requirement. Full in this 4,000 now this class is being attended by around 3,000 or 4,000. Okay, in the 4,000 one, how many are from, what is mean by pivot table? Yeah, I will tell Gayatri. Okay, in this 4,000, how many are from Tiruvalluvar University? How many are from Annamalai University? This is one question. For that, I will write a select statement. Okay, from Tiruvalluvar University, how many are from BSc Maths? How many are from BSc Science? How many are male? How many are female? That that is one different question. Like that, once you get the data, next step, sorry, next step, what we'll do is we will actually write the condition, and accordingly we will get the answers. What are questions asked as a data? Then next, just a minute, Sangita. Next, what is actually a pivot table? Pivot table, what we can say is to summarize the data. See, now I am having the around data in deck. In this, we are having rows, right? In this 50,000, what I am doing, I am summarizing what I want. I want the sum of tables, sum of the sales, market wise. If you want market wise, summarizing of data, you can do uh, using the pivot table. You can call this as a summarization of your data. This data is the raw data, and if you see this pivot table, group major form aichu paranga. Africa and Afghanistan, this, what is the total, what is the subtotal, in the madiri you will get in a summarized form. For that, the best option is to have a pivot table. What are the questions asked as a data analyst? Not only data analyst, those who are into data, okay, those who are into data or data analyst, main, for anyone, the main business is where we are, where we are before, where where we are currently, and where we want to be after 5 years. Generally, they will talk in terms of 5 years. These questions can be answered using the data analysis. In which area? Okay, sales one increase பண்ணுமா, இல்லைன்னா employees வந்து any amendments நமக்கு use ஆகுமா? What is the use of, what is a, what does a data analyst do? That is what I have mentioned, right? He will be answering the questions this, where we are before, where we want to be, where we want to be in next 5 years. These questions, if you take any project or management, they will put some questions, and for those questions, the analytics or data analyst, he will take the data, and he will do the analysis, and he will share. So suppose in our government also a new government formed, and a education minister came. Once education minister comes, what he'll ask? What he'll ask? Okay, in our state, how many government colleges are there, and how many private colleges, how many aided colleges? Okay, in this, how many aided colleges, how many faculty are there, how many posts are filled, how many posts are empty? All these are questions only, right? All these questions can be handled by a data analyst. In our real time scenario, these IAS or whoever concerned people, they will answer these questions, but for them also the data is only important. Whatever the questions I told, right, all these can be addressed. How many, okay, in this particular city, how many posts are empty? In which college, how many posts are empty? Concatenate means adding the strings. Suppose I have my first name. Okay, my first name is some XYZ. Okay, and my last name, is ABC. And suppose someone asked, I don't want first name and last name separately. You concatenate as a full name. Then what we'll do, I will give xyz and ABC. You will get xyz ABC. This will be your concatenation. Means concatenating means adding two strings. When specifically it is used when you are having a strings means text value. Okay, and when you are time series analysis. Madam, time series analysis na explain panna time andu we can look into the time series analysis. Okay, let us confine only to the uh, topics that we covered till date. அது வந்து எதனா doubts இருக்கான்னு சொல்லுங்க. I'll clarify. Okay, next 5 minutes, already 12:10 aichi. Next 5 minutes on the whatever doubts you are having, you can almost it got extended today. Okay, next 5 minutes on the whatever doubts you are having, you can ask. Otherwise, also see these many doubts you are having, and you are asking after almost 5 6 days. These things only you if you are a faculty, you can share in the data analytics group one day. I can give answer there itself, or if you are a student, you can share these to your faculty, and your faculty will share to us. We'll answer those two ways. Don't need to wait until I open the chat. So see how many questions you are asking after the fourth class. Postgres meaning, sir. Gayatri meaning enna, madam? Same like that only. Just I asked Gayatri. Okay, for you, your parents gave my name, gave some name. For me, my parents gave some name, right? Anna madre, that guy when he developed, he gave Postgres, Oracle, Python, all these languages. C came after that. Someone came with C plus plus. Why you gave C plus plus means? Same Annamadirda. Thank you, madam. Super question. Kirutika, okay, in data analytics and in Python, you will be having statistics, right? You will be having statistics, you will be having the calculus. These things will be very useful when we are doing any linear regression or decision tree or ANOVA. During that time, okay, statistics and mathematics will be very, very, very helpful. When you are taking the linear regression, there is a concept called outliners. Okay, when we go into that, I'll explain about that clearly. To find the outliners or for any other, there are so many other features also which are very helpful in data analytics. That is the reason we suggest even statistics and maths students also to put some interest towards these programming languages. Thank you. Yes, I'll be sharing these questions, today's exercises to Karthik. You can start working on that, and at 7 o'clock sharp, you are going to have your today's MCQ. And today's MCQ, I'll be focusing more on what math is best for data analysis, calculus, or even statistics also. So 7 o'clock sharp, they will open this MCQ. You can log in and you can work on this MCQ. Okay, okay. Then Karthik, you can stop recording.